Okay, 2 of them. Sweet.
2 8-inch big ass forks.
Nice. That's deep.
It's a big ass fucking.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
So my name is Nate. I got 2 Sundown NSV 415s powered by a Def Bonds AAK AK and a 75 amp Bower Kingdom.
Nice. I'll look at the back after the demo. That looks good. And you got your back seats down, but you can showcase it. And is it a little louder maybe with them down? Slightly. Yeah. I'm curious to see how the port is in the back. There's a way I can see it. Yeah, man. Awesome. Okay, 2 of them. Sweet.
2 8-inch big ass forks.
Nice. That's deep.
It's a big ass fucking.
Yeah. And is this that, what are you wired to on the amp?
0.35.
0.35, okay. So you roll into it. Yep. Very nice. We got a picture. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary I like to do before we get to the bass demo. So I really appreciate you watching, everybody that's watching my daily videos. Be sure to give Nate a thumbs up. He did a great job showcasing his system here today. Also, let him know what you think about his system in the comments. I'll be sure to let him know to check out this video and see y'all's comments. So anything you got to say positive about his vehicle and his system, be sure to let us know. So 2 quick things real quick. Anybody before they ask in the comments, this is a dual 8-inch Aeroport system here, and he has vibration isolators that are mounted underneath of his amplifiers, you can see there. And he also has a really nice strong lithium battery bank in the back, which is an extra plus to help support that beefy big amplifier. And he's got it wired down to 0.35, so a little bit scary. He doesn't turn it up 100% of course for the demo, but he gets us the feel of how it sounds. But anyway, looking forward to seeing how it sounds. Let's go ahead and get to the bass demo. Looking forward to y'all's comments about Nate's system, and enjoy the demo. Nice.
DJ Hurts.
Clean. Voltage hardly moved too.
Yeah, good. That was pretty nice.
Yes, sir. Very good, man. I really appreciate the demo.
weren't made. We're sitting by the door since you don't wanna stay anymore. DJ hurts me. You should have your space.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.